heavy rain has finally passed out of the metro, but we are still looking fairly dreary. Mostly cloudy conditions across much of the state as temperatures are climbing in the upper 70s, 78 degrees here in Jackson, dew point of 71. So we are feeling just a little humid, but thankfully all of that heavy rain that we've been experiencing over the past couple of days is finally making its way out of the metro. We're still expecting some lingering showers, but the big story is the immense cloud coverage that we're seeing not only here, but across much of the state. We're also seeing some light scattered showers in the Pine Belt, even some lightning in the Gulf Coast. But for the most part, the heavy rain is out of our hairs and is moving eastward into Alabama, where there's actually flash flood watches in effect for much of northern and central Alabama. We will see the possibility for some showers, but for the most part, what we're experiencing right now is a front slicing the state in half. Behind the front, we have a high pressure system trying to make its way in, trying to bring us dry air. But for those that haven't seen that front pass through, we are still feeling the humidity, and it is slicing the state in half, affecting our temperatures. For those of us that have seen rain and that front pass through, we're sitting in the 60s. For those of us that haven't, we are seeing those temperatures in the low 70s, but we are definitely feeling the heat and the humidity near the Delta of 15 to 20 degree difference compared to this time yesterday, whereas here in the metro and in the Pine Belt, we're only seeing just a couple of degrees of a difference. So this front will continue to swing through, or at least attempt to. It will eventually become stationary, where those of us in the Pine Belt will still feel the humidity, but behind the front, across northern and much of central Mississippi, we'll see dry air, and we'll start to see some clearing as we head into Friday and really much of this upcoming weekend. But for today, we're going to see quite a temperature difference. For those of us in the Delta and really the metro, we're going to see those temperatures only in the mid to upper 70s. In the Pine Belt, we're going to see those temperatures in the low to mid 80s. So a bit of a temperature difference because that front's not actually going to make its way all across the state. And then we'll slowly see those temperatures on the rise as we head into this upcoming weekend, where we'll see the clouds starting to break up a little bit. We'll see a little bit more sunshine, and we'll see those temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 80s. It's still going to be fairly above average for this upcoming really Sunday and the beginning of next week, as we're going to see very minimal rain chances. So not quite feeling like fall, Andrew, but today, I mean, I even grabbed a sweater as I was leaving the door. I grabbed a sweater, I caved, and I am going to enjoy it for today because we'll kind of start to see the humidity kind of creep back into the forecast for the rest of this upcoming weekend, really.
I have not missed the humidity at all, and a lot of things going on Saturday. Of course, we had the Magnolia Bowl at LSU, the Mullen Bowl up in Starkville, Wells Fest here in Jackson. Saturday looking pretty good? Looking pretty good in regards to rain. We should see a little bit more sunshine. It should at least look a lot better than what we're looking at now. You know, it just looks kind of dreary, and it just looks kind of meh. So it is expected to look just a little bit better for this upcoming Saturday, which is good news for everyone. I saw 7 inches of rain in Jackson for September. That is so much rain. Yes, that is so much rain. I think it's the 3rd highest rain total for the month of September that we have on record. Okay. So, you know, all the years, all the past 50, 70 years, I think that's the 3rd highest record for the month of September. So, just incredible. Thank you so much, Rebecca.